it's Jennifer, and I have for you the Advents for December the 12th. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to pull out December the 12th for my calendar Advent for Southern Skeins. And yeah, we've already moved down quite a bit. Yeah, we've done this row. Now we're starting on this one, and then we'll have just a couple more. So time is flying, definitely. So I'm going to set this to the side, and I'm going to find the 12th on this one. It's all the way up in the corner. And it is a knitting, it calls it a knitting thimble. You put it on your finger and run the yarn through it. This is really good for two-color knitting. That's kind of cool. So that would be real good for two-color knitting. So that's nice. Let's go ahead and open up the, not that I would use it, because when I do two-color knitting, I hold a color in each hand. And let's see what's in the Southern Skeins envelope. And the color is, oh, that's a beautiful blue. That's real pretty. And yesterday's and today's, they look really pretty together. I love those. Those are very pretty. And day 12 on the Woobles, so pull the whole drawer out, is yellow. And it is a tiny tree topper star. If you remembered, we made a tree a few days back. So here is the star for the tree, and there it is. And yesterday we got the red and the green to make an elf hat, and then today we got the star to put on our tree we made a while back. So that's super cool. So I like that. That's nice. And for the sewing, I just had it a minute ago. For the sewing calendar, we got the sewing gauge and the knitting, what they're calling a thimble. So that's cool. And I'll put my drawer back. There we go. And so that's really nice. So please stay tuned for tomorrow for December the 13th. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.